Boater's dream location. Rare, hard to find wide canal with 90 ft seawall, just a short boat ride from the Gulf of Mexico to your private dock in 10 minutes. That's Priceless. Open concept coastal floor plan with split bedrooms. Spacious, light and bright living and dining. Sliders open to a composite deck with views no other home can duplicate. Large master bedroom with water views and ensuite guest bedroom can be used as a second master. Updated kitchen features water views, lots of counter space and breakfast bar. Laundry room with addition storage. Lower level features 700 square feet recreation room with upgrades and multiple entries. Circular driveway makes coming and going a breeze. Oversized one-car garage 20 by 22, 440 square feet, standard 2-car size. Lush landscaping with irrigation and fruit trees. This property is truly a one-of-a-kind tropical paradise.